First click on Manage button, then click on Edit Site button. To set your page meta title or meta description, navigate to Pages option. Then click on Setting icon of your page for which you want to set meta title or meta description, then click on SEO and Page Setup option, then enter your meta title in Title Meta Tag field. Now enter meta description in Description Meta Tag field. In Slug URL section, enter user-friendly URL for the page. Now click on Save button. To add H1 to H6 headings in your page, click on Edit button of any section, then in the title field, and click on Setting icon of your title. Here select your heading tag from H1 to H6. You can also customize your font size or font family. Then click on Save button. To add image alt text, click on Edit button of your media section, then provide your alternative text in Media alt section. Then click on Update button to save the changes and preview it.